Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures, and welcome back to the last installment of the hashtag Crafty Christmas Collab 2019 that was initiated by Miss Beth from Bourbon Creek Crafts Designs. Anyway, this is the last part. I was running out of paper a little bit, so this is what I came up with. I'm going to do for the 4 week and then give you a glimpse of what we did for the 4 weeks. So for this week, I did a traveler's notebook. You can see the 3 signatures right there. This one, I just laminated the paper to give it a little bit more stability. And just did like this paper tassel that I used from scraps as well. So that's going to be part of my project share. So you're going to see so you can easily make your traveler's notebook at home with scraps. So I made 3 signatures with 1 cover. So that one is that. So it's going to look like this. Scraps, and then some leftover chipboard. I decorated it with some leftover chipboard. So I used 110-pound paper on the inside, so you can, you can paint it. You can put a lot of layers in it. So there's 3 of them. The measurement of this, I just cut it. I just cut the paper to 8 by 8. Folded it in half and then stapled it with my big long arm stapler, which I think is a great investment. It's called Swing Line. I bought it from Office Depot for $35 and it's that big. So I think it's a great investment. I've been using it for a good 3 years. It never failed me. And it staples up to 12 inches. So 2 staples on there, folded it, cleaned it up with like a cutter. And then it looks so good. So you can easily make your own to match your projects. I love doing the traveler's notebook. So I love making sets out of these. Like the traveler's notebook. And then like this paper. Let me show you this paper suitcase that would hold the embellishment. So wouldn't that be such a cute gift? To give the traveler's notebook with the embellishments that they can decorate with. I think that would be such a great idea for a gift. Anyway, so this is what we created last week. And this one, I am probably going to put this with a giveaway. So this is going to be part of the giveaway, guys. So yes, so that's our first project. And I made some Project Life cards that are super simple. Some Project Life cards. I just stamped them and then decorated them with some leftover stickers. I love Project Life because it makes it easy for me to get caught up with my scrapbooking for the season, especially during the holidays when we're all doing the December daily. So I just made 6 out of some neutral paper. Just put some stamps. These are Ali Edwards stamps. Very simple. And then I made some paper tassels. So I made 4. These are so easy to make. This one is 6 by 1.5, and then I just used my pinking shears and then rolled them up. I thought it turned out so cute. So let's see that, and then made some paper clips. So I thought this would be darling to add. Sorry, this would be darling to add to your. If you look at it, wouldn't this be a darling to add to your pages? Or not necessarily in the front. You can add it here to mark like a special photo or Wouldn't that be cute? And then you can put a photo here, and you can add some journaling on this side, and your page would be done. I thought that was darling, and then you can easily reposition it. So I love making these, and it just uses scraps. So easy to make, guys. You just see the back part. I just glue gun everything because it's so sturdy. So I thought that was darling. It was my first time making these paper tassels, so that was super fun as well. So this is the first paper clip. And then just some more embellishments to add to my box of giveaway. So this is the other tassel. I mean, I can remove it, but I thought it was cute dangling. Depends on the person who's gonna use it, but I thought this would be so cute. And this one is attaching from the left. So if you, for example, want to highlight this page, let me show you what it looks like. Oh. So the paper clip part. Don't you think that's so cute? How cute is that? I thought it was so cute. So these paper clips came from the Dollar Tree, guys. So think again when you go to your office supply area from your Dollar Tree, because the colors are perfect for the snowflake collection. So they had orange too, which I didn't use, but I thought it was so cute. Some more layered embellishments. I didn't make a lot of layered embellishments because I didn't want to take away from the paper suitcase. So that person who's going to win that might want to decorate them themselves. So some more for the traveler's notebook. Look how cute and simple that is, guys. So this is your page. For example, you just stick it in here because this paper is very thick. So you can just stick it in there, put your journaling right here, and put a photo in here. And this could be like an entire layout, right? Wouldn't that be so cute? Or you can stamp like a heading here, or a title here, the photo here, this one on this side, and some journaling on this side. I thought that would be so cute. This one as well. And these bows can flatten however you like. So I was thinking that would be so sweet to add. I love the simple layering, and it's super flat. So, you know, if you want to close your book. So that's it, guys, for my project share. We've made some embellishments, some project life cards, some paper tassels that I would definitely put in my list of things to make with every single collection. We've made 3 signatures, 3 travel notebooks. That is sized 4 by 8. And we've made this cover. Let me know if you want a tutorial on this project. I would gladly do that for you. Sorry about the glare, but this is what it's gonna look like, and this would all be added to our giveaway box, the paper suitcase giveaway box of more goodies. It's gonna be added on here. And so I hope you had a wonderful time watching this collaboration with all the ladies. I will be putting the link down below if you're interested in watching. Everybody is so creative, and I love this community of scrapbookers that are so supportive to each other. I hope you had a great time watching our collab videos, and I will be putting a link to the ladies. I hope you watch them, and I hope you have a very wonderful Sunday. Have a great time, get some hot cocoa, and watch all our videos. Thank you so much, guys. and both of these will be going to the giveaway. Take care. Have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian signing off. Thank you. Bye. Okay guys, this is just a review of what we have been able to do for the past 4 weeks in the hashtag Crafty Christmas Collab for 2019. I'm just showing you what we have. So we made this mini album from chipboard. Just showing you the details of those. There's a lot of flips in there, a lot of details. Next is the paper suitcase that contains all our embellishments. Just a run through of, you know, the embellishments that we created together. If you like these kind of videos because I make a lot of DIY embellishments. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely appreciate it. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. You are appreciated. I just stamped some sentiments on those 3x4 cards for Project Life. If you like doing Project Life, using an Ellie Edwards acrylic stamp. Just going through them, and then I'm going to put them back in place because we were able to do Traveler's Notebook, a suitcase of embellishments, this December daily. I think the stickers came apart, but you know, lots of pages for this December daily. It's already so bulky even before the photo, so I think I'm gonna be minimizing that. So that's what we